Title of the story: Lily's Magical Journey into the World of Ants. Lily was an adventurous little girl with a curious mind. One sunny afternoon, she found a shimmering stone in her garden, tucked beneath a cluster of wildflowers. The moment her fingers touched it, she shrank to the size of an ant. Surrounded by towering blades of grass, Lily spotted a line of ants marching in perfect harmony. Intrigued, she followed them, and soon found herself at the entrance of their bustling anthill. The ants, surprisingly welcoming, invited her inside. She marveled at their intricate tunnels and tiny rooms, each one with a purpose. Nurseries for baby ants, storerooms filled with seeds, and even chambers for rest. The queen ant approached, thanking Lily for visiting and sharing the secret that teamwork was the magic behind their success. With a warm smile, the queen handed Lily a seed, a symbol of their friendship. As she stepped outside, Lily returned to her normal size, holding the tiny seed. Back in her garden, she planted it, knowing that the world of ants had given her a new perspective on the magic of nature and community.